Hey guys, it's New here again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing MacBook Pro M2 and we have it right here. Let's get into it. Okay, so we are here with the box. Time to open it up. This isn't the actual MacBooks, and you won't be getting this together with your package. This is just because I used a delivery service. Yeah, so this is the main thing, right? Oh, it's not even the main thing yet. We got it in here. See that? Bro, let's go. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yep. So now we have the actual box. 13 inches. I don't know why this is in, what language is this? I don't know why it's in that language, but okay, here's English. MacBook Pro 13-inch, 10 core GPU, 8 gig 256. Yeah. So you have the Apple logo, the MacBook Pro on the sides, Apple logo, MacBook Pro. Now let's get in there. Slide this off. Yeah. What are we saying? And here we have the main events of this video in gray. It's a really beautiful one. Yeah. So when you open up the box, you have the MacBook itself, and then you have a Type-C to Type-C wire, Type-C to Type-C cable for charging, and over here we have, I think, their instructions and some stickers, and we have the charging brick right here. Yeah, and yeah, I think that's pretty much it. There's anything underneath here, but I doubt. Yeah, it's empty, so yeah, that's it. That's all you get in a box. The 2022 MacBook Pro M2 13-inch. That's what you get in the box. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like this video by giving it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, Comment your thoughts in the comment section.
Yeah, so subscribe if you like this video, because I'm also going to be releasing follow-up videos of the review, how the Mac performs and all. So subscribe if you want to see those videos in the future.
See you next time. Peace.